My brother is not a pig. My brother is not a pig.
Walang himala! Ang himala ay nasa puso ng tao!
Magandang araw! Welcome to Spill the Tea with Tita Brittany, where your chismis is our business. This segment is very special kasi bigatin yung guest natin. We will call this segment Usap Tayo Ate Guy. Today, we welcome a legend, a voice that touched the soul of a nation, a face that defined a golden era of the Philippine cinema, a singer, superstar, and now a national artist. Let us all welcome the one and only Miss Nora Honor.
Thank you, Tita Brittany. I am so happy to be here.
It is an honor to have you here, Ate Guy. Your journey from Iriga to superstardom has inspired millions. So, how did you start here in entertainment industry?
I started at very young. I grew up in Iriga. At alam mo ba, Tita Brittany, nagbebenta ako ng tubig at mani sa kalsada. Life is very hard. Pero dahil mahal ko ang pagkakanta, sumali ako sa tawag ng tanghalan. I didn't expect to win, but I just wanted to help my family. But you know what? That winning moment made a huge impact in my life. Maraming mga oportunidad ang dumating sa akin, lalong-lalo na ang pag-aartista. Alam mo ba, ang hirap pala maging artista, Tita Brittany, no?
Bakit?
Wala kasi akong experience sa pag-a-acting, Tita Brittany. Isa na naman akong hamak na magtitinda sa kalsada noon. Kaya, laking pasasalamat ko sa mga taong tumulong sa akin upang makamit ko ang kinaroroonan ko ngayon.
Wow, you've come a long way. Grabe. So, ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin yung movies mo. Sa lahat ng mga pelikula mo, alin doon yung tumatak talaga para sa'yo?
Alam mo ba, Tita Brittany, I appeared more than 175 films throughout my 55 years career in showbiz. At para sa akin, ang tumatak talaga sa masa yung Himala, Bona, Tatlong Taong Walang Diyos, The Floor Contemplation Story, at saka yung Thy Home.
Pero for you, Ate Guy, ano talaga yung mas tumatak para sa'yo, yung pinaka-meaningful sa'yo?
Para sa akin, ang pinaka-meaningful na aking ginawa ay yung Himala. It really made a huge impact in my life. At I think it also changes people's perception towards Filipino films. Alam mo ba, ang hirap kaya ng role ko doon bilang si Elsa. Kahit saan ako mapunta, narinig ko pa rin ang walang himala, walang himala. Pero kahit gano'n, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga tao dahil hindi nila nakalimutan yun.
You know what, I have to say that Himala was one of the first films that gave me chills. So, now, we will put your fruit on the line. Are you ready?
Nakakatakot naman yan, pero bilang si Nora Honor, wala ako kinatatakutan, kaya go ako dyan.
Alright then, let's have our Chismis Checker 3000. Okay, let's start. Ate Guy, we have here set of questions for you. Ito yung mga humors, yung mga chismis na kumalat about you. Are you ready?
Yes, super ready to love it.
Okay, your first question. Did you feel hurt when you were left out of the National Artist Award in 2014?
Yes.
Okay. Bakit?
Tao lang din naman ako, Ate Brittany. Kaya sobrang nasaktan talaga ako noon kasi nag-expect ako.
Okay, next question. You have to choose, singing or acting.
Sobrang hirap naman yan, pero sa ngayon, pipiliin ko ang pag-a-acting.
Okay.
Kasi doon ako mas nakilala ng maraming tao.
Tama naman. Oh, next question. Did you think you were more deserving of the title superstar than anyone else?
No.
Okay. Paano mo yung sabi?
Naniniwala kasi ako na mas maraming tao na mas magaling para sa akin. Pero masaya ako dahil ang mga tao mismo ang nabigay sa akin na karangalan na iyon.
For our fourth question, ito yung chismis na kumalat about you. So, we need you to confirm this.
Parang alam ko na yan ah.
Is it true that you liked Vilma Santos before?
No.
Okay. Oh. Oo.
Sige na nga. Wala talaga ako lusot dito, Tita Britney. Sige. Binigyan ko pa nga siya ng bulaklak noon. So, totoo ang sinasabi mo.
So, yung chismis. Okay, now our chismis checker 3,000 is now over. But we still have a question for you. What is one thing that your fans don't know about you?
Siguro hindi nila alam na mahihain talaga ako. Oo, Tita Britney, totoo yun. Mahihain talaga ako. Akala nila makapal ang mukha ko. They really think that I am really confident. But I get nervous a lot, especially when there is a lot of camera in my surroundings.
Okay, thank you for telling that. And that wraps up our special episode for Usap Tayo, Ate Guy. Thank you so much, Ate Guy, for sharing your truth, your story, and legacy with us. Once again, this is Spill the Tea with Tita Britney, where your chismis is our business.
Walang himala. Ang himala ay nasa puso lamang ng tao.